How was 2025 for you?
2025 is best for me because I opted Salesforce as my career option, and rather than that, for to grow in my Salesforce career, I choose Learnox.
In starting, I think that I can achieve everything. After that, I see ups and downs, and then I was into web developer. Then I got to know about Salesforce. In that, I see many exposure in Salesforce, and then I get to know about Linux. In that, I learn many things about admin and developer, and it's quite good for me because I get exposure in Linux.
2025 started as I approached to the final year of my degree, and then it was some relaxing because I don't have to go to college regularly, and then shifting from a student life to a corporate life, joining the training of Learnox and the very grateful environment of Learnox with best quality trainers and the training material. So it was very nice, and at the end, cracking the interview of Persistent was the highlight for my 2025.
So 2025 has been treating me good so far. I completed my graduation, and I also got an opportunity to sing at an open mic. Also, I am exploring Salesforce as a domain at Learnox right now. So it has been good so far.
2025 was a great year for me as I completed my BTech, and also I got to try out new technologies as Salesforce and DevOps. Right now I'm pursuing in Salesforce, and I'm looking forward to learning.
The best thing about 2025 is that I did not give up, and that is what I am proud of. And I also took admission in Linux for learning Salesforce.
2025 is a great year for me as I delivered my industrial knowledge and my practical experience through training to the various candidates who have opted in the Linux training industrial training programs. After delivering these trainings, the candidates gain experience how the projects actually works, and they gain some real kind of scenario situations where what difficulties they're going to face in these projects. So the most experiencing moment and the most joyful moment for me was after delivering the content which I delivered, my most of the students gets placed in here and in some other companies as well. So that was the most good moment for me. And if I talk about my what are the new upcoming resolutions for my next year, so I would say I would like to increase my tech stack as well, and I would say I would train more and more students so that they are industry ready, and I would share my knowledge with them so that it is more gainful for them.
Well, I actually joined Cloudinology last month. It's been so far so good for me. As a team, we onboarded an LMS portal, which we are excited about. And it's a new learning experience for me. So I've conducted a few trainings here. The engagement was a bit low, so that's the plan. For the next year, we are planning to derive and increase the participation on LMS by at least 30%. So yeah, that's the plan for next year.
What was the biggest achievement or milestone of Learnox in 2026?
One of our biggest milestone for Learnox in 2025 was building a strong and scalable center of excellence ecosystem. We successfully partnered with multiple institutions, trained hundreds of our learners, and created real industry pathway through our hire train deploy model. What makes this achievement more special is that we don't just focus on our training, we focused on employability, real world exposure, and industry readiness. That is what something reflect the vision of a Learnox.
What is your resolution for 2026?
So my resolution for 2026 is to become a good Salesforce developer and to grow in my career as Salesforce developer.
My resolution for 2026 is to be more consistent and confident.
My 2026 resolution would be to grow in my career and to do more things, more adventurous things. I would like to try out new technologies, including Salesforce.
So I hope to become a very good Salesforce developer and find a good job in this domain. I think that's what I'm looking for.
For 2026, I hope of mastering the Salesforce development tools, or the LWC, Epics, SOQL, and becoming one of the best performer at the internship of my Persistent.
My resolution is I wanted to achieve good thing in 2026 and learn more in Salesforce and get to know about many things, and wanted to do some certification in Salesforce.
For 2026, our focus at LearnOx is to scale impact with quality. We aim to strengthen our partnership, expand our Center of Excellence program across more institutions, and create a stronger bridge between industry and academia. If we talk about our resolution is to ensure every learners trained under LearnOx is not just skilled, but confident, industry ready, and capable of building a long-term career into tech ecosystem.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hey team, Happy New Year.
Hi everyone. Wishing you a very happy, prosperous, and joyful New Year to each one of you and your family ones.
Happy New Year.